Alright guys, today we're gonna be doing unboxing on WEN Rotary tool. So let's cut it open. Packaging looks nice. So far so good. Looks pretty good. By the way, I ordered this from Home Depot. It came in 5 days and it was only $20 at the time. The case looks very nice, heavy duty. All right, let's open it. First thing first, you have a manual right here. Put that one on the side. This is your extension for engraving or anything you want to extend it instead of carrying the tool. That's a good feature. That sold me, that's what I saw and purchased that right away. Let's see manual. It's pretty much basic stuff. It tells you how to hook things up or unscrew the bits. All right, this is pretty much same as Dremels. You can use any bits you have for Dremel, so that's a good feature. You have variable speeds. You have up to 6 speed and maximum, so that's 7 speeds. It's really awesome and powerful. I watched few videos before I purchased this, and they were all saying good thing about it. So that was a good thing. It comes with the kit with this, all the bits and sanding pads. So these are just basics. You can always buy aftermarkets, but at least you have something to start with. All those sanding pads. So that's good stuff. I most likely will be using all of these. All right, this is a tiny wrench it came with. I believe this is to replace bits. Yep, that goes right here on this spot. There's a spot, so you have to put it on the same spot to unscrew it. Hold that button to tighten and unscrew it. All right, let's see the speed. There's maximum speeds. You can change the speed. See, as you go high, it gets faster and faster. It's pretty good for the price. All right, so to open this, guys, you have to push this button, and then this way that the wheel will lock. Then either you can twist it with the hand if you didn't tighten it too much. If not, then use a wrench to open it. Here you go. And it comes right out, okay? This is how you change. And that's how you push this button and tighten it. All right, how to connect this is open this, put this thing, find a hole here, stick one of your bit. So once it goes in, this is how it opens. Alright guys, with this I'm gonna wrap up the video. I cover as many things as possible, and I hope this video helps. So please hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, smash the like button. Once again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye now.